Hello friends, very good morning to you all. And myself Dr. M.H. Channaya, Vice Principal at Saptagiri College of Engineering and former Principal at Dr. Shivkumar Mahaswamy College of Engineering, Bangalore. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel Mechanical Engineering Lecture Series, please subscribe without fail and share the information with all your friends. Friends, in today's session, we have a problem on a rectangular lamina which is resting on VP. So it is resting on VP. The rectangular lamina ABCD we have got. It has the dimension they have given you 30 by 50. 30 is the measurement of the shorter side, 50 is the measurement of the longer side. So these two will have 30 mm each, and these two will have 50 millimeter each, 30 by 50. Friends, he says it is resting on wall. So it is very obvious, and you should immediately analyze that the lamina is to be placed on VP or on the wall. Assume this is temporarily pasted on the wall such that one of the edges, shorter edges AB or CD is perpendicular to HP. Obtain the front view of the lamina, which is a rectangle of dimension 30 mm into 50 mm, and in the top view you get a line of length is equal to AD or is equal to BG, that is equal to 50 millimeter. So I commence the development of the projections of these by drawing the XY line. So I draw a XY line, which is the line of intersection of VP and HP, and mark on this VP and HP, one below the XY, HV below the XY and VP above that, indicating that it is a first angle projection. Friends, the lamina is on VP. I told you before, whenever any lamina on VP is resting on VP or it is parallel to VP, you can write down the front view keeping one of the edges of the lamina perpendicular to HP. So it is a rectangular lamina. I am going to write a rectangle here having dimensions 30 by 50. So it is a rectangle. Say we will call this as ABCD. So this is A dash, B dash, C dash, and this is D dash. This has the dimension 50 mm. The longer side is 50 mm. So I will write down here 50 mm, which we also represent as M. So I will call this M is 50 mm in this case. That is the length in the front view. So let us obtain the top view. Top view will be a line on XY. So you are going to get a line on XY having measurement of 50 mm. So I will call this is the top view. I call A comma B, AB, and this side it is CD. Friends, we have just made this lamina to be on vertical plane, and we have got the front and top views of the lamina, that is a rectangle in the front view and a line in the top view on the XY line. So friends, he says it is resting on one of the shorter edges such that it appears as a square of side 30 mm. Friends, we had the lamina placed like this. It was a rectangle. He says keeping this lamina on VP, that is keeping this AB here itself, I am going to slowly rotate the other edge like this such that for some particular position it becomes a square. That means he has given, instead of giving the inclination of the surface with the wall, he says it becomes a square in the front view. So we know the solution. So I will just write down or construct a square adjacent to this at any convenient distance having side measuring 30 mm. I will say this is SQ30. So SQ30 indicates it is a square having 30 millimeter dimension. So I will call this as AB dash, B dash, C dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So this figure is the final front view, he says. So it appears as a front view. Friends, remember here the side A dash B dash, that is the shorter edge A dash B dash is on the wall. So when it is on the wall, you can have this point here as AB. So we are going to have this point AB here. And remember, when the surface is inclined, the front view is shortened, that is this width is shortened. Now I will write a vertical line through this CD. The position of this AB is fixed. So somewhere here you should get CD. Friends, you have this ABCD of length is equal to 50 mm, taking this as the center and radius equal to 50 mm. Draw a arc to cut this vertical line drawn through CD at this point. Join these two. Friends, this length is again equal to 50 mm, that is our M. And here this is making an angle phi. So for this angle phi made by the surface ABCD with the VP, you get a square in the front view. Friends, you know this AB was vertical here, the edge shorter perpendicular here. It is also perpendicular here also. But he says draw its projections when the side on which it rests, the side on which it is resting is AB, that AB is now perpendicular to HP. But he says draw its projections when that shorter edge on which it is resting is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Friends, we are going to redraw the figure, this square, such that this edge AB will lie on a line inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to HP. It was perpendicular, so instead I should write a line here at an angle of 30 degrees on which the side AB is going to rest. So I will mark here a square with A dash B dash lying or resting on this. So this is one side, the second side, third side and fourth side. Friends, this has to be A dash B dash. We can write anywhere. Say this is A dash, B dash, C dash and this is D dash, and these two figures are the same. So what are the figure you have got here? I have redrawn that figure here. Only the thing is that edge AB on which the lamina is resting is at an angle of 30 degrees with the HP. And this figure will give you the final front view. I will mark it as FV. And remember, this has to be again SQ30. So what are the figure you have got here is redrawn to obtain the final top view. Friends, you have the final front view, a square of side 30 mm. We should get the final top view. So follow the procedure, obtain the points one by one. So let me start this with A dash. So draw a vertical line from A horizontal line from here, they meet at this point. Similarly, a vertical line from B, a horizontal line from here, they meet at this point. So this is going to be the point B, this is point A. Likewise, get C and D. Draw a vertical line from C, horizontal line from here, this point is going to be C. And finally D, vertical line from here, horizontal line from here. The point of intersection of these two will give you point D. Friends, you got all the four corners of the plate, join them by straight line to obtain the final top view. So here I am going to join A to B. This is one edge, A to B. This is C. So I am going to join B to C and then A to D. This is also joined. So friends, we have got the final top view. A four-sided figure ABCD with shorter edge AB resting on VP, and that edge is making an angle of 30 degrees with HP. Friends, you have got the total projection of the lamina when it is resting on VP on one of the shorter edges, and we have marked here front view and top view. And friends, this is one of the important problem they ask you in the examination. I hope you are all satisfied with the presentation made on the projection of this rectangular lamina. Friends, if you are not subscribed yet for my channel, Mechanical Engineering Lecture Series, do subscribe without fail, like the channel and share the information with all your friends. And this is Dr. M. H. Annaya signing off.